Check out Create by Vidello, the best video editing software around. Not only can you create cool effects, but this software provides free content for you to use and awesome social media effects. Cash used to be king, but I think that content has dethroned cash as everything has moved online. Not to mention the pandemic increased online adoption massively and e-commerce grew in 1 year what it was supposed to do in 3. What does this mean though? This means you need great content in place for a great first impression, but first you need a software to do that on. If you are ready to crank up your content creation, then you need Create. The link below will also get you 50% off, and don't forget to check out and subscribe to Video Maverick's free Create tutorial series on the Video Maverick channel.
Hey everybody, so I hope you enjoyed that. That was a demonstration I actually fully put together in Create, all the way down to the voiceover gentleman that I used from the United Kingdom, which I actually think is an awesome feature about Create. One of the best things about Create by Vidello is like its limitlessness on how you want to create your content. So, you know, in terms of like iMovie or other like free softwares out there, those are, you know, pretty simple and straightforward. You can get a few clips put together in 5 seconds and that's it, right? Versus a software like Create, you're actually able to, you know, excuse the fact that I'm using this word over and over again, but you're actually able to create what you want to create, what you're visually able to see. And that's what I tried to put together in this demonstration. I tried to be able to show you that all the visual effects that content needs, Create can offer. So as I said, there's a link below to get Create downloaded on your computer. It's downloadable on any type of device. That's also another great aspect about it, is that it's, you know, it doesn't just run on Macs or just, you know, it's across the board type of software that you can use on any computer. Anyway, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And on Video Maverick, we also have a full playlist dedicated to a Create tutorial series. Happy creating!